Hi everyone, welcome back. So I got another comment on my Pinephone rant video with the excuse that it's a beta from another one of our Linux Kool-Aid drinkers. So I want to address this. He says, what part of beta didn't you understand? Well, I think you're the one who doesn't understand. Let's refer to a website called howtogeek.com. What is beta testing? I'm going to read it. Have you discovered an application you use has a beta version or features that are in beta? Beta testing is a crucial part of what makes software we use daily stable and user-friendly. Here's how it works. Pay attention, Kool-Aid drinkers. Beta testing is the process of testing an unreleased piece of software, and I would probably insert hardware, with a portion of its intended audience. That'd be me and you. One of the final stages of the software development lifecycle, or SDLC, and often takes place before public release. That's what beta is, jerkwad, just before it's released. And it's nowhere near release time. So it's not beta. It's not even close to beta, as I said before. Stop using it as an excuse. When's the release date? Next month? Well, then it's beta. But it's not next month, is it? It's never. Sorry, I'm getting mad. Let me read more. During beta testing, it's essential to make sure that the testing environment mirrors the real-world experience as much as possible. Yeah, we built a phone that we want to suck. So, congratulations, beta test successful. It sucks. So clearly, the beta testing is to finalize that you've done good work and it's ready for production release. That's what beta testing meaning is, not excuse for having a piece of crap device. That's not what beta testing means. Let's continue to read. Therefore, if someone is beta testing a word processor, they should continue creating the same kinds of documents they make for work. Beta testing isn't only entirely for new softwares. Developers also use it to test out the latest builds of an existing piece of software, ensuring that it's stable when the update is rolled out to more people. Beta testing often provides valuable feedback from potential users on potential improvements, common bugs, and performance. The feedback can be collected automatically and internal statistics or manually via surveys and interviews. The software team can use that information to gain from the process and fix any issues. That's what's not happening. Sorry about that. I had to stop and eat some of the delicious apple pie that we grow apples for, that my wife loves to bake us every week. It's delicious. You should have some. Anyway, another topic, public beta testing. Some software makes use of public beta testing where a part of the audience can opt in to use a future build before it's released to the general public. Is that the type of beta testing we're doing here? I'm general public. When running a beta test build has some disadvantages such as software instability or bugs. You'll also get access to cool new features before anyone else has used them. For example, when Windows 11 was beta released several months before Microsoft rolled out, a subset of Windows users opted into the program and had access to new start menu layout, navigation features, and overall design. Well, I didn't get any access to anything because what I found is the software was incomplete, and I'm going to post my list in the comments of the things that I cannot say yes to on how this phone is deficient in all ways when it was released for any kind of beta testing, public or otherwise. So anyway, I just wanted to make clear to you on what other people think the word beta testing actually means. Not excuse for not doing a good job, excuse for not finishing the project. That's not what beta testing is all about. You're giving beta testing a bad name. Thanks for listening, everyone. Oh yeah, when I bought the phone, nowhere did it say it was beta testing. It just said about how it would be a great phone for end users and that the people that should buy it should have vast Linux experience. The word beta was never used. Fraudulent advertising, fellas. That's right. I'll get you in the end. You'll see. That pie is still good. And some more good stuff from howtogeek.com. We have 3 layers of testing here: alpha testing, beta testing, and gamma testing. Alpha testing is typically conducted in a lab environment with a subset of company employees instead of end users. Beta testing, this is conducted on the sample of the software's intended audience and replicates the actual user experience as much as possible. Well, if you want the user experience to be fucked up, then congratulations, beta testing complete. Then gamma testing. This is done right before something is released. It is significantly less common and has largely been phased out. Well, I think you better phase in a whole lot more beta testing that doesn't involve selling it to unsuspecting public and taking the money and running and then hiding from them when they call out for help and then claiming that it's beta and they should shut up and stop complaining when you took their money and gave them a piece of crap. Oh, here's a classic. What gets beta tested? Beta testing isn't limited to desktop and mobile applications and operating systems. Hardware can also get beta tested before the newest phones or gaming consoles are released. Many devices are often provided to beta testers first. These testers will use them daily for a certain period, providing valuable feedback to manufacturers. Well, you can't use it daily because it doesn't work. Ask Privacy X. He knows the truth. So in closing, the pie is just delicious. You don't know what you're missing. Red delicious apples and a beautiful flaky crust. Absolutely fabulous. I got bushels and bushels of these apples in my garage. I don't know how we're going to eat them all. Anyway, so this guy, DXVXO is his handle on YouTube. He claims they've made a lot of progress this year so far. I invited him to discuss that progress with me. We'll see if he takes me up on that discussion. Thanks for listening, everybody. Take care.